Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Vanguard for year-end tax documents, full guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with Vanguard for your year-end tax documents, open your web browser. Navigate to the Vanguard website by typing in www.vanguard.com. Once on the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you don't have an account, select the register link below the login fields. You will be redirected to the registration page. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and social security number. Next, provide your email address and create a strong password. Ensure you read and accept Vanguard's terms and conditions. After filling in all required fields, click the Continue button. Follow any additional prompts to verify your identity, if prompted. Once registered, log into your new account with your username and password. After logging in, navigate to the My Profile section. Look for the Tax Information option in the menu. Select year-end tax documents to access your tax forms. Make sure your personal information is correct and up to date. You can choose to receive your documents electronically or by mail. If you prefer electronic documents, ensure you have opted in to receive them. After making your selections, confirm your changes. Vanguard will provide instructions on when and how you will receive your year-end tax documents. Monitor your email for notifications regarding the availability of your tax documents. Finally, download or print your documents as needed for your tax filing. Your registration with Vanguard for year-end tax documents is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.